Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bird dog is a core strengthening exercise that works both abdominal and back muscle. It requires a little more coordination than other beginner level exercises. And to do this exercise well, you'll need to keep your body posture steady as you lift your arm and leg. In this exercise, we're gonna do 3 sets of 30. And get ready. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This exercise is a good burning calorie exercise. Do it the proper way so you can see a better result. We are taking a little rest, and after we're gonna do 30 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Doing this exercise when you are moving your arm forward and your leg backward, stretch them as much you can so you can engage your abs. Let's do the third reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and share the video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thank you. See you next time.